Well, hello everyone here. The reason to make this video is just for you to have an explanation about the way to construct a flag in vocabulary. Previously we have seen the square, how to build up a square. Today we're going to learn how to build up a flag in vocabulary. So for that, I'm going to consider one simple word in vocabulary. For instance, I will pick up Halloween. Halloween. So the way to build up the flag is that I'm going to be writing the word in the same form, but I'm going to be removing the last character. So in the second line, I will consider only Halloween. Then in the third line, I'm going to remove one of the E's. In the fourth line, I'm going to remove the second E, hello. Then in the next line, I'm going to remove the W. Then in the next line, I will remove the O, sorry. Then I remove one of the L's, then the second L, and at the end I'm going to have only the H. And in English this is called a flag because it has the shape like a flag. So this is the way to build up the flag, and you will complement with one illustration. The illustration can be a drawing or it can be a cut. Okay? Well, I hope that this is working for you, and I'll see you around. Bye.